Let's look at the tools needed to color a block in Quilt-Pro. The three tools are the Color Select tool, the Paintbrush tool, and the Color Picker tool. Let's open a block so we can see how these tools work. Open the block library, then select the block we want to use and click Open. Using the Color Select tool, we can select a color that we want to change. Then, in the color palette, we click the new color and it will change across the entire quilt. Let's do that again. Let's choose the purple in the quilt. And then replace it with this nice green. Now, when we click on the white, we can change that too. Using the Paintbrush tool, we first click the color in the color palette, then click on the patch to make the change. The paintbrush is used for coloring individual patches instead of groups of colored patches. If we want to use a color that's already in the block, we'll use the Color Picker tool. We'll select this green, and then we can switch it with other colors in the block. We've been looking at the default color palette, so let's look at how to use other color palettes. We'll right-click on the color palette, then click Open Palette. We see a few different palettes to choose from. Here's Earth Tones, Hand Dyes, and Transitions. Let's select one, then click Open. We also have the Fabric palette in the toolbar. If we sort the fabric library by color, we can scroll side to side and see the different sets throughout the palette. There are a number of ways to sort. By the current fabrics in our quilt, our favorites, even by manufacturer, which sorts by the different manufacturers that Quilt-Pro includes in the software. If we sort by My Favorites, we'll see fabrics that we've scanned from our fabric stash. We can also sort by pattern, which will sort by florals and other geometric designs. They can also be sorted by theme. Then in the secondary dropdown, we'll find a list of themes. All we need to do is click on the pattern, click the paintbrush, and then click the block we want to add it to. Now, let's sort by color and grab a nice tan-colored fabric. Now we have a colored block.